I'm so excited to be at Capital Subaru in Salem, and we're talking about Subaru Garden Days, which is happening next Saturday. And I'm with Brian. So Brian, we love coming out here. Ryan and I will be here all day, and it's just a day of fun.
Yeah, we love hosting Garden Days. I think this is our 12th or 13th year, and we'll be under the pavilion. We're going to have a lot of giveaways. We've got snap peas and we've got lettuce. We're going to have free food and refreshments, Humane Society, dog grooming, just anything you can think of. It's going to be a great day.
Ah, so bring your dog like Jeff here.
Yeah, there's Asher.
Free car wash. I mean a dog wash.
And really, this facility here is not even a year old, the new Subaru dealership.
No, so we had our grand opening in September. And so yeah, we're just coming on to our first summer being here. It's been amazing. It's over 70,000 square feet. We've got a 20-foot live green wall inside.
Beautiful.
So when you come down for Garden Days, come take a tour of the dealership. We've got a pet park over here. So it's fun for the entire family.
And can we even test drive a Subaru?
Absolutely, yes. Please come on down, anything we have.
And you know, also, Garden Time will be here, Ryan and I will be here, and you can enter to win gift cards from Portland Nursery and Al's. We have some books, and it'll be so much fun to see you, and so make sure you come and see us. There's going to be vendors here. We have plants, garden art. Peggy Moget is going to be here. She's going to be actually doing a watercolor painting.
Ooh, that's exciting.
Which is really cool. And the Oregon Orchid Society is going to be here, and they're going to be giving tips on little classes about orchid care and have orchids to sell. So really,
amazing.
So many different things for different people, your different hobbies.
Yeah, sounds like we're going to have everything covered.
And Brian, about this event, it's really nice because you get to mingle, you get to see plants and art, but really you can see all your display beds. You have raised beds of vegetables, and you can even have something to eat.
Absolutely, yeah. We're going to have a couple different vendors here with complimentary food and drink. We also have got behind us, you can see the Happy Heart Coffee Company. That's got a full array of anything you can find at a coffee shop and more. So please come on down and take advantage and join us.
So mark your calendar. It's going to be next Saturday, the 11th, from 11 to 3. You can go to the Garden Time website and just click on the Garden Days, Subaru Garden Days icon there, and you get more information. Well, thanks so much. We're so looking forward to it.
Thank you.